friends and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be filming a very easy DIY which can be done less than 5 minutes. It's called how to make a photo frame, and this idea was built by me. Hope so you like this reusable DIY series, and if you are new to this channel, it's pleasure to have you here, and so please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and also follow my social media which will be linked down below in the description box. So while late, let's get into the video. So here what we all need is an empty transparent box which can be available easily. Then we need a photo print of your choice and thermocol, colored balls and scissors and a plasters to build this. Yeah, let's do.